Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to make Vincent van Gogh sunflowers. So the first thing we need to do is take our yellow strip and glue it on our blue sheet of paper. We're going to put it on the bottom of our blue sheet of paper. We're going to get all these materials from the store. Okay. We're going to get the vase, the sunflowers, and the center of the sunflowers, our blue sheet, and our yellow strip. After we glue the yellow strip down, we're going to cut the vase. We're going to cut on the dotted line. Making a scrap pile to know what goes in the garbage and what does not. Then we glue down our vase. And we put it in the middle of the yellow strip. The next thing we're gonna do is cut out all of our sunflowers. We're gonna cut the circles out first, cutting on the dotted line. And then we're gonna cut our next one out. And then our big circle we're gonna cut out. Then after that, we're gonna cut out the center of our sunflowers, following on the dotted line one more time. It doesn't have to be perfect because flowers are irregular, so if you don't get every dot perfect, it's okay. Just do your best. Okay. Then I am going to take my big flower, cut on the dotted line, and then stop at the center. Cut, stop, 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 and keep doing that. Then I'm gonna do it for my two medium-sized flowers. The reason why we're stopping is because we don't want to cut through the flower and then accidentally cut one of our petals off. And then we're going to do it with this. This one has a little bit less flowers or petals. Now we're going to take our brown centers, glue down the middles, and we're going to take the big one and put it on the big flower. And we're going to take the smaller center and put it on the medium flower, and the other small center and put it on the medium flower. Then after that, I'm going to just worry about gluing the center of my flower and put it at the center of my page. Then I'm going to do the center of this flower. And put it to the left over here, and this center of this flower, and put it to the left over here. Then once I do that, I'm going to lift up the petals, and that's why we cut them, is so you could see all the different petals, and lift them up And then our next step, we are going to draw our stems to our vase. And one thing you can do is you can kind of add some greenery of leaves if you want, connected to the flowers. You don't have to, but it's up to you. Then, after you do that, the last step is to write your name with a permanent marker under the black line. Everybody's required to write their first name. The reason why we're doing this is because Vincent van Gogh did the same thing on his sunflower vase. And that's how you do it.